Hey, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these beautiful blueberry oatmeal muffins. They're gluten-free, sweet, and so yummy, you're not gonna be able to stop eating them. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start by taking a large bowl and I'm going to add 1 cup of oat flour to it. Make sure the oat flour is gluten-free because some of the oat flour is actually not gluten-free at all. And then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of rolled oats and of course 1 cup of almond flour. I'm then going to add in 1/3 of a cup of coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is just a healthier sugar out there, so please use that whenever you want to make a healthier treat for yourself. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and of course 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to give all of these ingredients a very good mix to make sure they're all combined well. And then in a separate bowl, I'm actually going to break in 2 eggs. I'm going to just whisk them a little bit. Take your time to do that. I just love to make sure that the consistency of the eggs is nice and fluffy here. I'm then going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You can also use any other plant-based milk or even dairy milk. It really is up to you, although I like to use a little bit of plant-based milk here. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I know that's an interesting choice, but you know what? It gives that extra flavor to the muffins that you don't find anywhere else, and I really loved how they turned out, so definitely recommend that. And then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. So finally, we just want to mix all these ingredients as well as we can, so make sure that all these wet ingredients are well combined. As you can see, I actually had them in a little bowl, so I want to transfer the wet ingredients into a bigger bowl because we want to then add in the dry ingredients into wet ones, not the other way around. So I messed up a little bit there. You want to add in the dry ingredients slowly and start mixing all of it together part by part until we create this beautiful dough and batter, whatever you call it, because we want it to be consistent and smooth. Finally, I'm going to finish up with 1 cup of blueberries. Just fold them in nicely. You don't need to mix too vigorously, otherwise we're going to smash all the blueberries and our batter will become purple, and that's not what we want. We just want to have them everywhere but not like smashed. Okay, I'm then going to get my muffins out. I'm going to take my muffin baking tin. It basically has 12 muffins in it. We're going to use actually just 9 of them. I'm going to line them with muffin liners and actually just add a little bit of oil. You can spray inside with cooking spray, but actually I'm just using a silicone brush because, you know, just that's what I have, and I'm using a little bit of olive oil. You can use any other oil you want or even sesame oil that I used before. I'm now going to divide the batter and fill each muffin cup and make sure to leave some space at the top because it will basically grow and raise up, and we want to make sure there's enough space for that muffin to look beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard it right. We want to do it for 20 to 25 minutes. Just use a toothpick to check whether it's fully cooked. It should have a little bit of crumbles attached but not too much, so just check that before you fully take it out. I'm then going to let these muffins cool down, and you know what, we're just gonna enjoy them with a bit of tea or coffee or whatever you want. It's a lovely treat, great for breakfast, great as dessert. It's gluten-free as I said, and it's just so good. It's just how good. It's one of my favorite treats right now. Either way, if you love this recipe, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps. Honestly, it really helps. So please smash whatever you can. And yeah, come to allnutritious.com to get full recipes with all the instructions so you can just go to the kitchen and, you know, do whatever you want to do. Either way, have a lovely day. Take care and bye.